Hello, this is Letitia Ortega, and here is my children's literature e-portfolio. The cover page for children's literature is a brief explanation of my feelings about the class and towards children's literature in general. If you go to the drop down, you can see all the different assignments and additional resources. The assignment that represents me as a teacher would be the Reader's Response blog. I thoroughly enjoyed reading each of the books. I was kind of surprised I was going to enjoy the books as much as I did. It kind of opened my eyes into children's literature. I just never expected to enjoy them as much as I do as an adult, which I thought was pretty awesome. I would love to be able to pass this type of assignment in elementary form, of course, because I just thought it was such a great assignment. It was also my most challenging assignment, just having to really dig deep and break each of the books apart, and just really look at them much more than I would a typical book. I read a book and I'm like, yeah, I like the book. It was a great book. But I had to look at each of these books on different levels. Their narration, the just all the graphic novels, and it was just something that I really enjoyed. And which assignment are you most proud of? I would say the family literacy backpack and the reader's response, because I put so much time and effort into the reader's response blog, but also the family literacy backpack. I love putting together. There were family favorite books of ours, creating the activities and just having a chance to recreate that, and with the hopes of maybe sharing this one day with some other family so that they can also have a love for reading just as myself and my kids do. So I really did enjoy this assignment altogether the most. And you click on home. And here's just a quick intro about myself, my family, my dog, and me. Thank you very much.